An architect is developing a threat model for an autonomous software architecture. What action should be taken first? Option A, implement compensating safeguards derived from exposure discoveries. Option B, determine the trust boundary, separating system components. Option C, compute the asset risk based on information sensitivity. Option D, perform a vulnerability assessment using the OWASP Top 10 list.
This question asks about the initial priority when designing a threat model for a complex system. Threat modeling is a structured approach used to identify, quantify, and address security risks relative to a system's design. The core of this process involves analyzing how data moves through components, where trust shifts, and where potential vulnerabilities might emerge during the architecture phase.
In my view, the correct answer is option B. When creating a threat model, the foundational first step is to understand the system architecture, define assets, and map out the data flows and trust boundaries between components, as seen in methodologies like PASTA or STRIDE. Identifying trust boundaries allows the architect to see where data crosses from one level of trust to another, which is essential for determining where potential attacks can occur. Option A regarding compensating controls and Option C regarding risk calculation occur later in the process, after threats have been modeled and evaluated. Option D, vulnerability scanning, is a technical assessment tool rather than an initial step of threat modeling.